In this video, I will show you how to quickly undo any mistakes or changes in Adobe Express so you can design with complete confidence. When you are working on a creative project, it is perfectly normal to try out different buttons or move elements around only to realize that you like things better the way they were before. Fortunately, Adobe Express makes it incredibly simple to reverse your actions. The fastest and most efficient way to undo a step is by using a keyboard shortcut. If you are on a computer running Windows, you simply need to press the Control key and the letter Z at the same time. If you are using a Mac, you will press the Command key and the letter Z instead. This quick shortcut instantly reverts your last action. If you prefer using your mouse, you can find a dedicated button for this right in the interface. Look at the very top of your screen in the main menu bar. You will see an icon that looks like a small arrow curving toward the left. Clicking this arrow serves as the undo function. Each time you click it, the software will take you one step back in your editing history. This is helpful if you want to undo multiple changes in a row without memorizing shortcuts. Whether you accidentally deleted a text box or changed a color you now regret, these two methods ensure you never lose your progress or get stuck with a mistake. By mastering these simple tools, you